So, I have a question for you. Expand 6 raised to power 4 without using calculator. It's very simple to calculate. We can apply a rule. 2 times 3 will be equal to 6, and here whole part is 4. The rule is AB power n is equal to e power n times b power n. Okay? Now we separate and apply this rule, so we will get 2 power 4 times 3 plus 4. Okay? Now 4 times 4 is simple. It is 16, and 3 plus 4, we can write it 3 square times 3 square. It is basically a rule. When bases are same, then powers will be added. Should we apply this rule? It means 2 plus 2 will be equal to 4. So 16 and 3 square is equal to 9. 9's 9.
So
it will be
16
and 9 times 9 will be equal to 81. Now it is 16 times, we can write it 50
plus
30 plus 1. So again, we simplify it to get 16 is multiplied by 50. So 16 times 50
plus 16
times 30 plus 16 times 1. So 6 multiplied by 5 will be equal to 800. Plus 16 times 30 will be equal to 480. Plus 16 times 1 is equal to 16. If we add these 3 numbers, we will get 800 plus 480 plus 16. We will get 6912. So we will get, our answer would be 1296 without using calculator. Thank you for watching my video.